How can we use the GIS tool to show influential areas of contagious diseases? So, let's analyze and look into the process of overcoming the issue by aiding accurate outbreak mapping and targeted interventions. Launch the Map Analysis interface and upload your vector file containing the contagious diseases by using Upload Vector Data. By Show Data Table, you can view the attribute table with contagious diseases names. Instead of untitled map, save your project with a proper name that describes the project accurately. We will now analyze influence areas for mitigation purposes. Click on the Convex Hull option using the Analyze Data option in the header. Provide the disease data in the Select Features section and disease name attribute in the Join Attributes section. Here I am setting a buffer range of 800 meters and select the field which you want in the data table, then click Submit. The buffers created may not accurately represent the actual influence area, but they are used for demonstration purposes to showcase the Convex Hull's functionality. Do the category styling based on the disease names for proper identification purposes. Rename your layer for better understanding. Take the whole thing to a new level by adding the label feature in the influence area layer. As per the demo, we can see cholera and hepatitis E has occupied most of the influence area. We've effectively mapped and visualized the influence area of the contagious disease, providing clear insights into its spread and potential impact. This map is a powerful tool for healthcare and public health, emergency response and disaster management, urban planning, and beyond. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.